Updating your legal name on Canva is a straightforward process that can be completed in just a few steps. Follow the guide below to make the change quickly. Step 1. Log into your Canva account. Access your Canva account by entering your login credentials. Make sure you are using the account where you want to update your legal name. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile icon located in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select account settings to access your account details. Step 3. Find the name section. In account settings menu, look for the section labeled personal information or name. This is where you can edit your legal name. Step 4. Update your legal name. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use ASRock to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new name, scroll down and click the Save button to apply the changes. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your name has been updated successfully. Once you have completed these steps, your legal name on Canva will be updated. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Canva support for assistance.